don't get me wrong, as a scalper, thinking fast is important, but there's a difference between chaos
Mm-hmm.
and thinking fast. I think it incentivizes deep thinking as well. Because one thing I was just reflecting on when you said that is these short form content, sort of addicts, and just generally, people who are really kind of on their phones a lot, including myself, is it can create a very chaotic mind, like a very racing mind, which is when if you bring that to trading, all these 1 minute candles, 5 minute candles, imagine what your mind's going to be like when that's what your mind is pretty much all the time outside of the charts. And probably when you're on the charts, you probably got your phone out as well. Compared to if you've meditation, things that allow for deep thinking, things that slow down that pace. Don't get me wrong, as a scalper, thinking fast is important, but there's a difference between chaos and thinking fast. Like something intentional versus.
That's why I think a lot of traders that are scalping, they just can't make a really good decision in that short amount of time. They don't have the ability to actually critically process what's going on in the markets. They're just acting off of emotion a lot of the time. And yeah, I think meditation for me was a big pillar in my growth as well, because I always looked at meditation and I was like, that doesn't work. Until I actually tried it and realized like my thoughts were racing so badly that I couldn't sit still for even a couple minutes. You have to be able to, and that's again part of like the morning routine, is just being able to sit down, run through my processes, at least meditate for 10 to 15 minutes and visualize how I'm going to execute in the market.
The interesting thing is it's probably one of the few things where you literally get direct results. Does that make sense? Even the first time you do it, yes, you might struggle, like you said, like you might just do 2 minutes, but even that 2 minutes, you'll see results.
Yeah, you get mental clarity.
You'll be more calm. You'll feel that calmness. It might not last long, right? Especially the first time you do it, but you will feel it instantly. And the more you practice it, and it's just like anything else, the more you build that muscle, the more you build up those reps, suddenly you'll be doing 15 minutes or maybe 30 minutes, but then you'll really feel a difference.